Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Soltech, and here I am going to show you that a new free TRX mining website where you can mine TRX for free and easily. 100 TRX bonus upon registration, high interest rate, bonus 10% on the first deposit, generous referral program, also available, earning without investment, responsive technical support in this website. More scroll down, you can read out and earn up to each and everything about this website, how much ways you have to earn a huge benefit from this magnificent mining platform. Most important question is that can you earn from here without investment? Then check FAQ session. Scroll down here, you can see that is it possible to earn without investment? Yes, of course. On our project, there are many ways to earn money without investment. More details in your personal account. More scroll down, you can check out whenever you have 5 TRX, you can take withdraw from here easily and authentically without investment. If you can invite a person in this website, you will receive 0.2 TRX every person you invite here successfully from this website. Now how can you reach here? I will provide you link inside the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. How can you sign up? I am going to tell you right now. Click on sign up option now. Here you need to enter your TRX wallet address, then enter your pin code which is equal to 4 to 8 digits. Then click on create account. Now you can create your account in this website through this way very easily. Now I have already account. Now I am going to log in and I will further teach you each and everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now after creating your account and login in this website, this type of interface will come in front of you. We have many more options available in this website to earn a huge benefit from here. More scroll down, you can check out and you can see that if you can deposit here 50 TRX, then you can generate 2 TRX per day from here and total profit will be 70 TRX. Not active plan means that if you want to buy this plan, you have to click on buy now option and it will bring you over here. You can select any of these 4 cryptocurrencies to make deposit. If you want to make deposit through TRX, you have to click on it and here you go to Tron TRX wallet address. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here your required amount. Please transfer 48.37 to the following address to be able to make your first deposit to enhance your earning in this website successfully and helpfully. Now if you deposit here 48 point something TRX, then which is equal to 6.50 USDT. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. You can also scan this QR barcode to be able to make your first deposit in this website successfully to enhance your earning per day. How can you get? You have to come here after every 24 hours and click on collect option over here. Then you can get 0.1 TRX per day without deposit. Now if you can make deposit of 50 TRX, then you can get 2 TRX per day from this website and total earning will be 70 TRX. If you can make deposit of 100 TRX, you will get 4.5 TRX per day and 150 TRX you can generate from here in just 33 days. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now more scroll down and scroll up, you can see a deposit history, withdraw history. You can check out your deposit history in this session and you can also check out your withdraw history in this section. Now if you want to earn more from here, then you have to click on it and bonus PTC add task. Click on bonus option now. You can see that you can also get bonus from here after every 24 hours from this website, which will be equal to 0.1 to 1 TRX from this website. Now if you want to earn more, then you have to click on PTC ads option now and here you can see that we have number of PTC ads available in this website to generate a huge income in the form of TRX. You can see that if you can watch this as for 10 seconds, you can generate 0.03 TRX from here. Now you in this way you can scan out and check out all and each everything about this website to earn a huge benefit from here. Now we also have bounty program. Click on it and you can see that you have to create video on it and share this video on social media platform and insert your source link over here about the bounty program. You can get a huge benefit. You can check out how my people generate a huge benefit in the form of bounty program from this website. Then we have level system option that is very helpful for all of us to be able to true miner from this website, and you can generate a huge benefit in level 1, 2, 3, and you can see that we have number of level available. You can read out and check out each and every information about this type in this level program. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now we have referral system option that is very helpful and useful for all of us. You can check out. If you can invite only one friend in this website, you can receive 0.2 TRX over here and 8% of their deposit made by in this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person joins this website and deposit here, you will earn a huge benefit from your each referral deposit. Hopefully you like it, you love it. If you still have any query or question about this mining platform, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you get benefit from this website, then please give me a like button and subscribe my channel for latest update about these type of video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.